Hello students, in this module we are going to talk about haloalkanes and haloarenes. We will be talking about types of haloalkanes and haloarenes. We will talk about the nature of carbon and halogen bond and few important physical properties of haloalkanes. First of all, let us understand what are haloalkenes and haloarenes. Alkenes are carbon with all bonds connected with hydrogen atoms. This is a molecule of methane. In haloalkane, one of the hydrogen or maybe more hydrogen are replaced by halogen atoms like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, or iodine. Here we have one example like chloroethane, where one of the hydrogen of CH3 group is replaced here with chlorine. This is haloarene, where benzene ring has one bromine getting substituted on one of the carbon by replacing one hydrogen. On the basis of halogen atoms, we have different type of haloalkanes like monohalides, dihalides, and polyhalides. When one chlorine or one halogen is replacing one hydrogen, we have monohalide. If we are having two halogen atoms substituting the hydrogen, then we have dihalides. Similarly, if more number of halogens are replacing hydrogens, then we can call them trihalides, tetrahalides, or collectively we may call them polyhalides. On the basis of hybridization of the carbon, haloalkanes or haloarenes can be classified as sp3 or sp2 hybridized haloalkanes or haloarenes. Say for example, in sp3 hybridized system, we have carbon connected with hydrogen or alkyl group or halogen by making single bond. On the basis of this, we can have primary or 1 degree alkyl halides, we can have secondary or 2 degree alkyl halides, or we can have 3 degree or tertiary alkyl halides. When sp3 hybridized carbon is connected to sp2 carbon, then the system is known as allylic haloalkanes. Similarly, here in the second example, we can see that the sp3 hybridized carbon is connected to sp2 carbon of benzene. This system is known as allylic haloarene. In sp2 hybridization system, you can see that the halogen is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. The system is known as vinylic system. Similar system, if you can see, when halogen is directly connected to sp2 hybridized carbon of benzene or aromatic ring, we call it aryl system. Now let us talk about the nature of carbon and halogen bond. Due to the electronegativity difference between halogen and carbon, the shared pair of the electrons lies more closer toward the halogen. If we look at carbon being in group number 14 and halogen being in group number 17, the electronegativity of halogen is more than that of carbon. Now, this electronegativity of halogen pulls the electron towards itself, and there is a generation of a dipole. The carbon thus opens to get attacked by the nucleophile as it acquires the positive charge on it, and halogen acquires negative charge and welcomes the electrophile attack on it. Now, if the electronegativity difference is more, then the polarity of carbon-halogen bond is more. For example, fluorine is more electronegative than chlorine. So as chlorine is more electronegative than Br, and Br is more electronegative than iodine. Now let us talk about the physical properties of the haloalkane. Like the parent alkane, haloalkanes are colorless and odorless compounds. As the parent alkanes are hydrophobic in nature, same as haloalkanes are also hydrophobic in nature. That means they keep away themselves from the water. They get repelled by the water. And this is because due to the carbon chain which haloalkanes have. As we know, the carbon chain is non-polar and does not get dissolved in the water. The lower members of haloalkane, because the polar nature of carbon and halogen, may get slightly soluble in the water. When we are talking about the boiling point of the haloalkanes, haloalkane has higher boiling point compared to their parent alkane. Now, this is because the carbon-halogen bond, which is polar in nature, attracts the molecules with electrostatic forces of attraction. So, in the molecules you can see there is some attraction which actually increases the boiling point as well as melting point of this compound compared to the same number of carbon in the parent alkane. Haloalkanes are flammable but less flammable than parent alkane. They are heavier than water. The density of haloalkane increases with increase in the size of the halogen. For example, the density of bromoethane is less than that of iodoethane because of the bigger size of iodine and smaller size of bromine when we compare bromine and iodine. Let us summarize all the physical properties of the haloalkane that we discussed. Students, in the next class, we will talk about the preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Thanks for watching this video.